Right, day 9. Day 9. Plasterers in today. We always plaster our rooms. Full skim on it, professional skim, and then give a lovely paint to this as well. That's Tom over there. Right, this is where I get my cedar from, in Ripon. Massive timber yard. Let you have a little look down there. That's probably one of that's really good quality cedar. The decking, loads of different styles, loads of different woods, loads of different styles of cladding as well. We're forever using this because nobody else wants anything different at the moment, but they've got loads of different styles and absolutely monstrous pieces of wood as well. That's insane, isn't it? Look at the price on that. Some tabletop. Yeah, this is it. They've got nice oak feather edge cladding there as well. Loads of different styles. Massive place and a good price as well. Garden rooms. Why do they cost what they cost? Because that pile of wood there, which isn't a lot, is £3.5 grand's worth. Okay, so cable run on this one. Customers put in that Cat 5 cable already. We've dropped ours in as well. We've got a spare one. We always run 2 just in case one ends up damaged. There's the 10mm steel wide armoured, which we're going to connect in there. The guys have come down there. They've gone under this flag. They've gone straight down this gravel bed. If you follow me, I'll show you where they've gone then. Reinstated it all. Gone down the gravel bed, through the flower bed, down the side of the garden. You keep coming, I'll show you. Round the trees. It's about a 40-metre run, this one. Down this side as well, and here they've cut across now to get to the garden room. So you can see there, we're about 600 depth. There's the steel wide armoured. There's the 2 Cat 5s. There is our, if you can see it there, our warning electricity tape. And you just come round there, I'll show you how we come up then. So the Cat 5's coming out of the ground, and it's in this plastic conduit then. It will then run around there, and all this will be hidden by cladding then. The steel wide armour runs up there, and just behind there is where the consumer unit will go. So what we'll do, we'll cut that off and we'll send it through there, and that'll all be fixed up. And all these wires then will also run into the consumer unit as well, because they're for the power. So obviously this is all going to get clad. We're going to put a fence here, we're going to put a gutter on there, and the sides and the front will be cedar. So we're going to backfill this now. It's raining yet again. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to subscribe and follow, that'd be great as well. And don't forget, my plans are for sale. Thank you.